I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Now, Shoji, how are you feeling today?
Good.
Just good?
Yeah, just good.
I think that's going to be helpful for me.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so let's begin. Let's have a review of what we studied yesterday. Alright? Do you still remember?
Yeah.
What did we
Maybe.
study again?
Present perfect.
Present perfect, and that's correct. Now, could you give me the pattern of present perfect?
Subject.
Subject, right? What's next?
Have.
An verb. Okay, a helping verb.
Helping verb.
Okay, helping verb. And what's next?
PP.
PP, what is PP again? What does it stand for?
PP.
Is past participle, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's next after past participle?
Object.
Okay. Alright, can you give me, what if our subject is singular? What should be our helping verb?
Helping verb.
If our subject is singular.
Yeah.
For example, he, she, it. What should we use?
Have.
One more time.
Have. Has.
Have.
Has.
Has. Okay. Are you sure?
Sure.
Sure. Now, what if our subjects are you, we, they? Okay. What helping verb are we gonna use? If for we, you, they, okay. What helping
Have.
Have. Alright, thank you. So, this lunchtime, right? At around 12 noon, you had your lunch.
Yes.
You had your lunch. Okay. Let's say you've just had your lunch. You had your lunch. So this happened in the past, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this happened in the past, but now, are you still full? Still full?
Yes.
Okay. Are you still full?
Yeah.
Answer me properly. Are you still full?
I'm full.
Full. Okay, I am full. Now, remember the meaning? Remember the use of present perfect? Shoji, we use present perfect for a past action. Past action with the result now.
Yes.
Remember?
Yeah.
So how can you change your sentence into a present perfect tense?
Present perfect.
Remember your pattern. Subject, helping verb, and then past participle and then your object.
Yeah.
How can you make this past action into a present perfect tense since this past action is a result now?
I had been full when you have lunch.
One more time, Shoji. We're talking about your present perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect, Shoji. Present perfect. Remember the pattern, Shoji. Subject, helping verb plus PP. And your subject is you. So your helping verb should be have.
Yes.
You have
I have
had. You have had
lunch.
lunch. Okay, you have had lunch. Is this now correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this action happened in the past, but right now there's a result, so you're gonna use a present perfect. Okay, do you have any question about that? No question?
Yes.
So, okay, before we go on to our next topic, I want you to look at this sentence. You had your lunch, right? Shoji had his lunch. Shoji had his lunch. Now, Shoji, before this action happened, another action happened first before this, right? And what did you do before you had lunch?
I study in MMBS.
You studied.
In the morning.
In the morning, okay. You studied in the morning. You studied. Shoji studied, alright?
Yeah.
Shoji studied in the morning. So, which action happened first?
Shoji study.
Shoji studied in the morning.
Yeah.
So, this action happened first, and then what's the second action?
Shoji had his lunch.
Okay, Shoji, thank you. So, these two sentences have something to do with our topic today. So, yesterday we talked about present perfect, but now let's talk about past perfect, alright? Past perfect. So, past perfect, Shoji, listen to me.
Aye.
Past perfect is for an action that happened first before another action happened in the past. So meaning, you completed this action first before this action happened. Alright? So two actions happened in the past, but which one happened first?
I studied in the morning.
Okay, so this action happened first. So now we're gonna apply the pattern. What's the pattern? For past perfect, Shoji. Here we use has or have. Now this is in present tense. Now could you transfer them into a past
Had.
simple form? Had.
Yeah.
So your pattern should be subject plus your had plus your past participle and then object.
Yes.
Okay, now what if your subject is singular? Let's say he, she, it. What should be your helping verb?
Had.
Had. How about if it's plural? If your subject is plural, let's say we, you, they.
Had.
Okay, so this time we're gonna use the same helping verb. Alright? So remember, Shoji, for the two actions happen in the past. Let's say this. Now, and then past. So two actions happen, right? Two actions happen. The first action and the second action. Now, Shoji, remember, we're gonna use past perfect for the first action. And the second action will be your past simple. Okay? So usually we use this to compare which action happened first in the past. And for example, the sentence, Shoji studied in the morning and Shoji had his lunch. Your first action was you studied in the morning. So this one, we can now apply your past perfect. Could you now make this into a past perfect tense? Shoji studied in the morning. Shoji, follow the pattern, Shoji. Shoji had, and what's the PP?
Study.
Studied in the morning.
In the morning.
Alright? So, Shoji, when we use past perfect, we can use some conjunctions like when, alright, before, and by the time. Because we can use this tense to emphasize which action happened first between the two actions in the past. So let's erase this first. Shoji had studied in the morning. Let's use the conjunction when. Shoji had studied in the morning when he had
Lunch.
his lunch. So, based on this sentence, Shoji, there were two actions in the past, right? Shoji had studied in the morning when he had his lunch. Now, Shoji, do you know which action happened first?
I studied in the morning.
Yeah, how did you know? Why is it clearer now? How did you know? No, why is it clearer now? Because we use a past perfect. And past perfect is to emphasize more the first action. Alright? Now, I want to ask you some questions. Before you slept last night, what had you done first? Before you went to bed?
I brushed my teeth.
You brushed your teeth.
Yes.
Now, Shoji, before this action, what did you do?
For that action.
Oh no, after this action.
Sleeping.
I went
to bed.
to bed. Now, Shoji, could you combine these two sentences into one with the use of when and with the use of past perfect?
Okay. I had brushed my teeth when I went to bed.
Okay, which action happened first?
I brushed my teeth.
Okay, and then after that you?
Went to bed.
Okay, another question. That's very good, Shoji. That's clear. Now, second, before you attended your class this morning, what had you done? Yeah, before you attended your morning classes.
I brushed my teeth.
You brushed your teeth too. Okay, now, had you had your breakfast?
No.
Or did you take a bath?
Yes.
Had you taken a bath?
Yes.
I had.
I had taken a bath.
And then what did you do after?
Change my clothes.
You changed your clothes. Okay, so you can say I had taken a bath when I changed my clothes or before I changed my clothes. Okay? How about this last question, Soji? This is gonna be my last question.
Please, easy question.
Easy? Okay, before you came to the Philippines, what had you studied? What had you done? Before you came here in this country.
I graduated from high school.
I graduated. One more time.
I graduated from high school.
I graduated from high school. And then after this, what did you do? I came
Philippines.
to the Philippines. Shoji, one more time. What did you do?
I came to the Philippines.
Okay, I came to the Philippines. Now please combine these two sentences into one with the use of past perfect and then when.
I had graduated from high school when I
Uh-huh.
come to the Philippines.
Okay, thank you. Now Shoji, let's have a quick review. Can you tell me again, can you tell me the use of past perfect? Using your own words, Shoji.
Get
Using your own words. Could you tell me the use of past perfect? Can you
it,
tell me?
it is for
For a completed action. Alright?
yeah.
One more time. What's that? Could you explain more? Past perfect is for an action that was completed first. Before another action happened. Okay. Do you have any
It's hard to
questions?
explain.
Hard to explain, but did you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, thank you so much. And for your homework, just study the next chapter.
Okay.
If you're still gonna be my student next
Okay.
Monday, this Monday.
Okay.
We're done. Thank you.